Good morning, manatees. I hope you all had a great day yesterday, Reduced Screen Time Wednesday, and I hope you got caught up on any missing assignments, okay? That was definitely a great opportunity for you to make sure you are current in all of your work. Okay, do you know what today is? Today is the first day of Hanukkah, often called the celebration or the festival of lights. Today would be the first day that they light the candle on the menorah. So we are studying culture and traditions, and that's something we'll talk about again later on in ELA. Okay, we're kind of bridging our social studies and ELA together since we don't have a separate social studies meet. And we're going to talk about those cultures and traditions because December is a great month to talk about different cultures, traditions. We all have different things that we do, especially around the holidays. So today is the first day of Hanukkah. It lasts for 8 days. We will read something about the facts, and I think you'll find out what that jelly donut is all about later today. All right, so that brings us to what are we going to do today? Today in math, we're going to do something that I like to call stacked math. So we've learned how to add, we've learned how to add two-digit numbers, we've learned how to regroup when adding two-digit numbers. So what happens when we have more than two numbers to add? And what happens when we have to read a word problem and add more than two numbers? So we're going to focus on that today, but before we go into our lesson, we're going to reassess where we are in our SMART goal. Remember, we've been working on this for a few weeks now. Every day we have a little bit of MTSS, that support math going on, and we are spiraling, we're reviewing, we're getting all those skills to be really solid, right? And keep them always current and fresh. So let's see where we're at. So I will drop that in the chat box during our meet first thing. So as soon, you want to be on time, okay? Because as soon as we start, we're going to do that. I'll go over it first, and then I will tell you to go ahead and work at your own pace and hit submit. But I don't want that to take more than 10 minutes, okay? So there are 9 questions. That means about 1 minute per question. That's plenty of time, because this is review, this is not new. So we do that, then we go into our stacked math and our word problem, our cubes, our problem solving, right? Getting our cube strategy. And then let's see, what else in math? I think that's it. I want to review some of your splash math and your happy numbers. Make sure everybody's been working on that. That's something you should be doing maybe a little bit every day. Treat it like a game. You know, if you like to go onto your gaming systems every day, then you should also go onto your gaming math every day, right? And in literature, ELA today, more about that informational report and more about that IP work for the habitats around the world. Okay, that was dropped now in Google Classroom, so you can work on that independently. And then of course we have our small group meets where we're going to read together and focus on any skills that we might need to fine tune. And by the end of this week, we close out another week in learning. Oh my goodness, it is just moving very quickly, isn't it? All right, I will see you during our math meet at 9 a.m. and again during our ELA and during our small group sessions. See you later.